Okay, so let's do our mystery song of the week, Ride Like the Wind by Christopher Cross. And here's some information from songfacts.com. This soft rock classic tells the story of a condemned man on the run to Mexico. The storyline is one not often heard on adult contemporary radio, but the precise instrumentation and soaring background vocals were what, provided by Michael McDonald, helped to make the song a big hit. Speaking about his inspiration for the outlaw theme in this song, Christopher Cross told us, quote, "I grew up with a lot of cowboy movies, serials, and stuff like The Lone Ranger, and these cowboy serials where they were always chasing the bad guy. And I lived in San Antonio, Texas, near Mexico. So there was always this allure about if you could get to Mexico, you could escape the authority. So getting to the border of Mexico was a fascinating thing to me." Christopher Cross dedicated this song to Lowell George, formerly of the band Little Feat, who died in 1979. It features backing vocals by Michael McDonald and a guitar solo by Christopher Cross. And the lyrics are very straightforward. It's about a man convicted of multiple murders, being chased. Of course, this is the chase scene. We've talked about formulas for mystery novels, detective fiction, and movies follow a formula as well. And one of the main features, especially for detective fiction or mystery or adventure, those kinds of movie genres, is always the chase scene. So this is basically a chase scene song from Christopher Cross. So let's take a listen to that.